Our bodies are incredible machines, but they need the right fuel to function optimally. Just like a car needs gas, our bodies need essential nutrients. These nutrients come from the food we eat, but what happens when we don't get enough of these vital elements? Nutrient deficiencies can creep up on us, often without obvious symptoms. Our bodies need a balance of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients. We'll explore the crucial roles of sodium, magnesium, selenium, and zinc. Sodium often gets a bad rap, but it's actually an essential mineral that our bodies need to function correctly. One of sodium's primary roles is regulating fluid balance. It acts like a tiny magnet, helping our cells hold onto the right amount of water. When we don't have enough sodium, our cells can become dehydrated. This can lead to feelings of weakness, fatigue, and even muscle cramps. You might also experience headaches, dizziness, or brain fog. Many people believe that we should avoid sodium, but the truth is that our bodies need a certain amount to thrive. Table salt is a common source of sodium, but it's important to choose unrefined varieties that contain beneficial trace minerals. Other good sources of sodium include celery, beets, and mineral-rich sea salt. If you're experiencing symptoms of low sodium, adding a pinch of salt to your food or drinking electrolyte-rich beverages can help restore balance. Magnesium is like the spark plug that ignites our cellular energy production. It plays a vital role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, including the process of converting food into usable energy known as ATP synthesis. When we're deficient in magnesium, our cells can't produce energy as efficiently. This can lead to fatigue, low energy levels, and difficulty concentrating. You might also notice muscle cramps, twitches, or restless legs, especially at night. Magnesium is abundant in leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, and dark chocolate. Almonds, spinach, avocado, and black beans are all excellent sources of this vital mineral. Incorporating magnesium-rich foods into your diet can help boost your energy levels, improve sleep quality, and support overall well-being. Section 4. Selenium, the brain's unsung hero. Selenium might be a trace mineral, but its role in brain health is anything but insignificant. This powerful antioxidant protects our brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, harmful molecules that can wreak havoc on our cells. Selenium also plays a crucial role in thyroid hormone production. The thyroid gland is like our body's internal thermostat, regulating metabolism, energy levels, and even mood. When selenium levels are low, thyroid function can be impaired, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and difficulty concentrating. Brazil nuts are one of the richest sources of selenium, with just a few nuts providing your daily requirement. Other good sources include seafood, eggs, and mushrooms. Ensuring adequate selenium intake is essential for cognitive function, thyroid health, and overall well-being. Section 5. Zinc, immunity's mighty protector. Zinc is like a mighty warrior defending our bodies from invaders. It plays a critical role in immune function, helping our bodies fight off infections and stay healthy. Zinc is also essential for wound healing, cell growth, and taste and smell perception. When we're low in zinc, our immune system weakens, making us more susceptible to colds, infections, and other illnesses. Oysters are a powerhouse of zinc, but you can also find this mineral in red meat, poultry, beans, and nuts. Pumpkin seeds are another excellent source of zinc, providing a tasty and convenient way to boost your intake. Maintaining adequate zinc levels is crucial for a robust immune system, proper wound healing, and overall health. Section 6. Replenishing your nutrient reserves. Our bodies are constantly using nutrients, so it's essential to replenish these vital elements through a balanced and nutrient-rich diet. Understanding the roles of essential minerals like sodium, magnesium, selenium, and zinc empowers us to make informed choices for our health. If you suspect you might have a nutrient deficiency, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. They can help identify any deficiencies through blood tests and recommend personalized dietary and lifestyle changes. Incorporating a wide array of colorful fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and quality protein sources into your diet is the foundation for optimal nutrition. Remember, food is medicine, and nourishing our bodies with the nutrients they need is a powerful way to support vibrant health and well-being.